Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jolly, and how are you guys? I haven't really done these types of videos in a long while. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an unboxing of the art philosophy products that were sent to me as part of being in their design team. So they sent us a box filled with a lot of art materials, and I've actually done this before. So if you have been following me here on YouTube, you might have seen an unboxing before, but for now, since there's a pandemic going on, I'm not going to get them straight from the box because, for safety reasons, we had to throw out the box and sanitize each of the art product that they sent to me, and then we had to leave this for about a week. We didn't touch these art materials, and so now that 1 week has passed and I can finally film for you guys. So let's start with the watercolor confections. So I have here different sets, but I'm going to show you more later. So we have here the Odyssey. This is my favorite set among all the sets that they have. So you have like a swatch over here, so you can see the colors before you buy them. And I love this for using on I use this on florals. And then we have Decadent Pies right here. This is also a nice set. I love the green and the blues in this set, and it has some neutral colors which are really good. Then you have Tropicals, which is something that I haven't really used in a long time, so maybe we will unbox one of these and give you a swatching video. So right there, here are the colors. I do remember that the blues here are a little weak, but that was years ago. I'm not sure if they have changed that, so we are going to find out next time. Then this is also a fun set. This is Terrain. Then you have a lot of greens here. I'm not able to use this as much because I feel like the greens look a bit alike when you swatch them, but I guess if you prefer like some autumn color, this would be like a beautiful set. Moving on, this is another set. So we have here the Pastel Dreams. So if you love pastel colors, this is a nice set because the colors are pre-mixed. So usually if you want a pastel color, you have to mix it with white, but here it's already mixed for you, so it's very convenient. And then we have here the vintage pastels, and I've actually swatched this recently on my Instagram, so you can actually look for that video, or maybe I can do a compilation video and post it on YouTube as well. So these are like muted colors, and they're very pretty colors, but I do find that I need to use this set with another bolder set. I don't think that I can use this alone. I need like a different color to like complement the vintage pastels, but it's a really good set and very unique. Then we have Essence. This is also a beautiful set and also one of my favorites. So you have really some nice greens and just interesting colors. And then you have Woodlands. This is also a good set. So a lot of people would ask me which one is better, Woodlands or Essence. I think Woodlands has more of a landscape feel for me, but it's also a good set, and I do love specific colors from this set. And I think I have a YouTube video about swatching these two sets, so you can look for that as well. And then let's move on to two more palettes. So we have the classics. So if you don't have a basic set, a basic watercolor set, this could be a good set to begin with. I usually use the classics in tandem with the Odyssey right here. So I use the two of them usually for my paintings. And then also one of my favorites would be the Currents set. So I love this set so much because it has all the blues and greens in one palette and you don't have to mix anymore. So if you love blues and greens, this is a good set to start with. And if you love painting the ocean, I think this is going to be very convenient. Alright, so now we have the watercolor confetti. I think I failed to put up a review for this. This is a lower, I don't know how to describe it, but it's kind of a student grade line for art philosophy. So this is about $20+ and you get a lot of colors inside. I do find the consistency to be a bit kind of smoother and easier to pick up compared to the confections set, but I did notice that the watercolor confections are more pigmented compared to this set. So I guess this is a good set if you're just trying to trying out watercolor and if you don't want to spend so much for one set. This could be a good set to start with. So now they've fixed the labels because when they first came out with this, it was mismatched. So this is a new set and I have here the old set, and as you can see, it's like mismatched. So I'm glad that they fixed that. And it also comes with a water brush, and you have like a mixing palette over here, and it's very compact, and it's a good set for me if you're just starting out. Alright, so this is the latest product of Art Philosophy. This is their artist grade line, and I do find the colors or the quality to be a bit better compared to the confections line because this feels smoother when you paint with it. And I'm just going to quickly show you what I did. So this is also the Art Philosophy artist grade paint, but I just poured them into small half pans like this so that I can easily use them and I don't have to squeeze it out every time I need a certain color. And then I have here some swatches. So I also made a video about the artist grade tubes, and as you can see, the colors are very vibrant and it's transparent, and it's a good artist grade paint. And for now they only have 18 colors and I wish they would produce more, but I do love the indigo. They have a nice pink, but I think I hope that they will produce a permanent rose color. That would be the best, and also a sap green color. But for now, this one still works for me, and you can buy them in separate tubes. I don't think that they have the ones poured out like this, so you have to buy them in tubes like this. And the tubes will cost different for every color because some colors are going to be more expensive. So it's nice that they put it in a packaging like this so that the tubes won't get squished when it's shipped out to you. And then you also have here some of the information about the pigment in this color. Alright, so I'm so sorry for the mess, but they also gave me some watercolor pads. So these are small ones. I do prefer the big ones. I'm going to show you a different size. Alright, this is pretty big. This is 12 inches by 12 inches, and they have different sizes. They have 8 by 8, 6 by 6, and I I think they also have 8.5 by 11. I think they just don't have the stock, that's why they did not send us those sizes, but I do prefer the 8 by 8 and 8.5 by 11 inches. That would be like the perfect size for painting. This one is too small for me. Guess for swatches we can use this. So I'm going to quickly show you this 8 by 8 pad and also the texture of the paper. Okay, so it's not the perfect paper for me, but it's good enough. And I mean, I can paint some beautiful florals using this paper. I did notice that it's difficult to lift color, so if you're that type of painter who lifts colors to create a highlight, I don't think this is the paper for you. This is good for like single or maybe double layer paintings, not too complicated paintings because the paper reacts differently. But for me, for loose florals, it works perfectly fine, as you can see. So it has a bit of texture. This is a cold press paper, so it's pretty good for me. So right here we have the concentrated watercolor. This is actually an old stock of mine that they sent before. They asked if we wanted to request some of the art materials in their store, and I did not ask anymore because I remember that I have some of these concentrated watercolors that I haven't opened yet, and this is part of their new collection, which I haven't swatched yet, but I have swatched the old ones. So they have here some of the newer line. I'm not sure if I have all the colors, all the new colors here, but I will swatch them next time and show it to you guys. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed watching this unboxing with me, and I will see you in my next video.